Here's a level 15 type question. How many ways can 4 cards be drawn from a regular deck of 52 cards in the order that they were drawn with replacement? The order is important. It's a permutation. This is a permutation with replacement. The number of possible outcomes for the first card, you have 52 choices. For the second card, because it's with replacement, take a card out, it's a king, you put it back, and you still have 52 choices for the second card. For the third card, 52 choices. And for the fourth card, 52 choices. That's 52 to the power of 4 is equal to 52 to the power of 4, which is 7,311,616 different ways that this can happen. That's it for level 15. Have a good day.